airplane will do about 150 knots, which is about 175 mile an hour roughly through the air. So, and it'll stay with full fuel in the tanks. You go into a building and you want to go between floors, you push a button and you're calling for the... You go into a building and you want to go... The trees are going to look a lot bigger. Okay? And then...
All the best.
Alright, so you're actually going to be sitting in the pilot seat. So the pilot seat is the seat that's over on the left side up against the glass. Alright. So we'll give it just a minute and then you'll put the booster seat under you and then there's a seatbelt on both sides. And I'll help you with the seatbelt if you need a hand. Perfect. Perfect. And then crawl over to that far seat. Yep, the far left one.
Alright, what's his butt? Get in here. There's 2 steps to opening the door. In order. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? Questions? Alright.
पूरा फुल जूम है, बहुत दूर है। क्लाउड्स कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना। Daksh, how was it?
चलाया मैंने चलाया
Really?
हाँ वो ब्लैक वाला बटन मैंने पीछे खींचा और उड़ने लग गया और फिर मैंने वो ऊपर बहुत दूर गए थे और फिर तब मैंने ऐसे कि उधर जाने लगा और फिर एक बार इनने तो स्टीव टर्न लिया पूरा उल्टा हो गया।
That's awesome. I'm glad you had a good time.
Yes, it got me experience explaining what everything has been.
Well, awesome.